Hum bخير هاتن. The Kurdi de Rosh. The days in Kurdish. Yakshem. Yak means one, Shem means day. First day of the week. Yakshem means. Du, two, Shem, day. Second day of the week. Du, Shem. Du, Shem, Monday. Se means three. Third day of the week. Se, Shem. Se, Shem, Tuesday. Char means four. Shem, day. Char, Shem. Char, Shem, Wednesday. Panj means five. Shem, day. Fifth day of the week. Panj, Shem. Panj, Shem, Thursday. In means Friday. In. And the last day, Shemmi, means Saturday. Shemmi. Okay, let's check some for examples. Yakshem. Yakshemi zaningah tuneye. Yakshemi zaningah tuneye. Düşem. Eze düşemi harim mali. Eze düşemi harim mali. Seşem. Te seşemi çı bıkı. Te seşemi çı bıkı. Çarşem. Çarşemmi roja çaraye. Çarşemmi roja çaraye. Penşem. Hune penşemmi herin kuderi. Hune penşemmi herin kuderi. İn. İne roja piroze jbo Müslümana. İne roja piroze jbo Müslümana. Şemmi. Ez şemmi naxabetim. Ez şemmi naxabetim. Okay, that's it. See you next lesson.